much mileage I can get. This is average, and 17 kilometer per liter. It's going down, it's going down. 16. It is so inconsistent for obvious reasons. It is so inconsistent. See, it is 17 now. So nice, it went to 22:48. Crazy. Kawasaki, you're watching this, is just a mess up. This is not accurate, you know. I cannot control if I come to Hassan Road, I must say, but yeah, welcome back. Like I was speaking about mileage and got deviated. Now it has got trending about 23.5. Yeah, so this is the mileage scenes. So talking about SPRS Racesuit, right? So basically SPRS Racesuit is based out of Thailand, and they are the makers of it. I'm not sure what do you call what leather is this, because I'm not sure, but it's definitely leather. I can definitely make out. I did just fire it up a bit and then checked in one of the ends of the leather, so I realized that it's leather as well. So with that, what was most important for me was to give you some context. The one that I had, Alpine Stars riding gears, it was doing its job. It's not that it's gonna be bad as well, but the only problem is, right, when you actually ride at high speeds, it had this moment of riding things going away, right, and many things like that. But then later I realized it was so important for me to get a one that is more protective for your body. I can take probably a bet, but this is gonna be super safe than any other riding gear outside in that market. And this is also affordable, right? It's not going to be super expensive like the Alpine Star or even a Dainese. So this is a 56 size, but 52 and 54 also fits for me. Like you already know, my body size is not that accurate. It is always inconsistent. Sometimes I go lean, sometimes I go quality, because I do a lot of gym as well, right? And also my body type is also like that. So considering all those aspects, I got 56 to give you some features about it. I'm already sure that you would have already seen in the unboxing or review of the SPRS Racesuit, but it has a elbow slider which is not allowed to tuck because it's just a slider. It doesn't have something like a knee slider where you actually can corner even with your elbows. So it's not necessary for me. So I can't even touch my knee. Where would I touch my elbow, right? So that's why I did not get that also. You also get a pro model in that, but I got this. And this has an elbow slider and CE certified too. Elbow protector completely. Chest protector was not there. Back protector is there. Chest protector, I just put it from my Alpine Star thing that I had before, right? So got that from there. And Knee protector is of course from knee to tibia. Tibia is a bone that is slightly below the knee, so it is covered till there. And of course I wear the old BBG race boots. Yeah. So this is some idea about the Racesuit, and it is pretty good. It is pretty ventilated, and it demands fitness, of course, for obvious reasons, but fairly manageable, I would say. Until you wear it, it's going to be difficult. I haven't tried in the hottest of the conditions because pretty much I'm home before, I would say, I'm home before like 8:39, so I haven't tested in hot. It's summer, it has already started, but should see how things would span out with time. And with long-term review, let's see if I can do another one. So long-term review, let's see if I can do it. Long-term review only comes when you use this Racesuit for more than a year or something. But let's see if that happens. But as of date, absolutely no. This is more than sufficient, and we are good. So with that, that's all about the Racesuit. I can also talk a bit about the hand gloves. This is pretty decent, but it doesn't have this connection, right? When you actually crash, this thing should be crossed because you tend to lose your pinny a lot. Pinny is the little finger, people call that. So just be very conscious about it. And it's from Shima. I feel the Alpenstar is much better. I feel the connection between these gloves are pretty good, but I feel that it's a very thin layer. Maybe works for the basic sort of motorcycles, but super sport riding at high speeds, that's crazy. 100 km per liter, yeah, seriously. So that's the scenes, bro. So just enjoy, have fun. Signing off, Rakshit. Take care. Bye. Peace.